So the would study it, and you see that the SPY made high, all-time high. Then for the last 2 days, it's been dropping. So the first resistance, it might come down if it falls below the close of the low of previous day, right? Then it may fall down until, and the first support could be this, or it could be a big support. Once it drops this, then it may test the bigger support range, which is around 565, right? But once it drops to 556 plus, it will drop to 567, and then to let me comfortably test to 460, 560, 565 range, 563 to 565, and let's see 5 minutes chart. See if this, that was the first that was the range that it went high, and then it didn't um, break the high of the previous day candle of Thursday, and on Friday it did not, so it made a negative candle, and then the price came down all the way, right? And now it is consolidating this. So it, and for QQQ, I think that it's been falling for the last 2 days, right? And but if it breaks the low of this, then the first support is going to be 480. 480. There's going to be a weak support, but the strong support is in this range, which is 547. Sorry, 4 443.81, 475. And if you see this, right, so for the last 2 days, it's been falling. It didn't break the low of the first time ever it didn't break the high of the previous day. If you see, like the price was going from here, right? Price is going the higher high, then it consolidated, then it came low, didn't take the low of previous day, then it came high, and then it consolidated, it came high, right, and then high again, and the first time ever it broke the low of previous day, or tested the low of previous day candle, right? And the high, there was first time that it was not it didn't make the high of previous day high, and it tested the low, right? So tomorrow it is very crucial that 1, 2, 3, right? So if it consolidates for a bit and goes lower, then I'm going to buy it, and it might test the low support of 483, and then if that breaks, then it may test the support of 480. And my Friday trade, I took a couple of random trades, and I didn't follow my rules, and I took the wrong trade, but I got emotional and I took that trade, kept it. Ultimately, it came down, so I came out positive, but it was not a good trade. But my another trade was because I was afraid. I took the right trade, but I didn't make that much of profit in dollars. But percentage wise, I made a good profit. It was, I don't, if you're not going to believe, it was almost 100% profit. And but because I was fearful from the first trade, I did not take that much of quantity, right? So if you see how the trade that went to 100% was this trade. So you see that 1, 2, 3, this tested the support third time, and it went up, right? I took the trade right over here, and my stop loss was a little bit bigger, but I didn't had a huge quantity, so I was okay. And then I um came out of the trade right from here. That was my analysis for tomorrow. I'm going to see that. Also, I noticed on Friday that tech was weaker than the SPY. So if you see SPY for a like tech start going down right from the beginning, right? But if you see SPY, it tested like high, it kept going up, right? And then it came low. But if you see SPY, it was weak right from the beginning. And now it tested again going to high. Both the spike came, but it was not the higher high, just like this SPY made for a little bit until this negative candle, which was a 1025. Right? Thank you.